Anxiety. I present to you all. This is my first long-time project that I'm going to work on. The main idea of the game I, to be honest, have not yet come up with, but let it be the question. What will happen after? And yes, this is something super philosophical to confuse you. In general, in the future, you will understand everything. As studying rules and history of the world, I decided to take a post-apocalyptic cyberpunk. The topic isn't the most common, but it doesn't seem to fall apart in my head from its own incapabilities, so everything is cool. It isn't octopuses in a power armor with light katanas in cream sauce, so whatever. I chose some of my favorite genres, namely immersive simulation and stealth. As for the first one, I'm not sure, since there's a lot to do for choice freedom, but maybe it's worth it. And if I do so, then stealth will most likely be optional. The main character is this guy, a technological genius from the slums, who doesn't agree with the world order. And I start away, legs are prostheses. I'm not sure why you need this information, but it's better to say than not. Right? Right? Well, our story takes place in the Walker. This is a city in the desert, one of the few that managed to appear after I experimented a little with the color palette, and I think this landscape sets the right general mood. That even in the sunlight, everything is far from being so rosy. People here managed to rally, find others, and rebuild the city among nothing, from the ruins of the past civilization. Some of them created the Aphilon. This organization helped build a new world. Its inventions allowed to resist the outside world, as well as establish contact with other human settlements. And it means something. The outside world has changed and has become more dangerous. Other animals appeared, mutated due to radiation and a kind of magic, as people of the new generation call it, which partially polluted the nature. And also, some people separated, capable of interacting with the world and resisting the new and old technologies due to unusual abilities. And also, since these are ordinary people in the past, they develop, and this race goes on constantly. You ask, is there a reason of their confrontation? And I will say, is it necessary? Well, then some do not accept the unity of others with a terrible and bloodthirsty nature, infected with new diseases and in general dangerous. The political situation has changed dramatically, and city-states have appeared, because people haven't yet been able to unite even within their own cities. The radicalization of the population, discrimination, high crime level, the ideological crisis, all these are the problems of the new world. Despite a positive and hopeful start, reaching the limits of the scientific development of the past led to general stagnation and a decline in the spirit of the nation. The turning point of history for this place has come, and now it's necessary to act, or it will be too late. Decline has come, and, as is our custom, either fading or down will follow. And here we're just meeting with the heroes and diving the history of the world. The pretentious part is over. In general, next I'm going to do the prototype, the basic of movements, the map, the AI, the story, and so on. And if you're interested in what will happen to this or other projects that will also appear here from time to time, then you can subscribe and help with the distribution. In general, that's all. Zayoti. See ya!
И,